Good morning, everyone. So it is Tuesday, August 10th. I am in Deer Lake, Newfoundland. And as I already said, staying at the Driftwood Inn. I stayed at the Driftwood Inn. Nice place to stay, pretty quiet. Rooms aren't super soundproof, but it's a motel, so what do you expect? Actually, it's a hotel, whatever. So yeah, Driftwood Inn, pub attached like I said. Food's pretty good, prices are normal. And so if you're new to the channel, my name's Dean. I'm just finishing up a Cross Canada Odyssey, if you will. And so I'm gonna try and ride close to 100 today, which should leave about 400 and something kilometers left on the whole trip. So pretty big, exciting times, getting close to the end, and sort of looking forward to it and sort of not. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna get on the road and let's see what we see today. Those foxes were pretty damn cool yesterday. It might be hard to top that though. Alright guys, jumping on. As I said, the on-ramps are usually a little sketchy. They don't put paved shoulders on on-ramps because they're really not trying to encourage people to pull over on the on and off ramps. Oh, I will not be merging. See the sign here, there it is, officially right here, 624 kilometers to the end of the trip, guys. Pretty cool. All right, so just riding along here, I was taking a break and I ran into Alex. I'm surprised I remembered that, I'm terrible with that. And so he's kind of on an odyssey of his own, touring around. I think he said he was just in Gros Morne, which I was hoping to do, but that's a separate trip. So here's Alex.
Hey everybody, Alex here. Biking from Montreal to St. John's. Beautiful ride. We're gonna head up on this nice, quiet country road.
Yeah.
Some fun biking, and hopefully we're gonna meet some other nice people along the way too, huh?
Perfect. Anyways, nice meeting you, Alex. Fellow cyclist. Always good to see people like you out there. Not sure if the GoPro caught that moose sign. Turned it on kind of late. Figured I might as well get a shot of that. It might be the only moose I see. I kid, but that's a good chance that it is. Alright guys, just at 10,000 kilometers on the trip, documented, photographed, all that stuff. Beautiful. Okay guys, just signing out for Tuesday, August 10th from Shepherdville, Newfoundland. Stayed at the Junction Inn. The room itself is nothing to write home about, so you make your call on that. It's about $140, so that's your call. But that food truck back there has amazing moose burgers, so anyways, I'm gonna kind of get relaxed here, do a couple things, and then try and get to bed early for a change. And I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Cheers. Good morning everyone. So it is Wednesday, August 11th. Just heading out from the Junction Inn in Shepherdville, Newfoundland. It's calling for rain today, and as you can see, it kind of has that look and feel to it. Well, you won't be able to feel it, but trust me, it does. Not much wind at all, so looking to go about 85, I think 87 kilometers to Badger, I think it's called. So I'll bring you guys along for the ride, and let's see what we see today. So there's the chariot, the steed, the ride, whatever you'd like to call it. Oh my, I don't want to walk through all those spider webs. So anyways, this patio feels like it's gonna fall off. So anyways guys, hope everyone's doing good. Only a few days, probably 4 or 5 days left in this journey that I've been on. So hopefully we'll see some more magic the Newfoundland has to offer. So let's see what happens today. All right guys, just on the road. It's gonna be another fairly climby day. I think that's gonna be the trend, to be honest with you, for the rest of the trip, which is only about 4 or 5 days. right, just stopped here at Eddie's restaurant, just outside of Springdale, I think it was. Heading for Badger, about 50K to go to Badger. Grabbed a coffee, wasn't the greatest, that's often the case in these scenarios. But the restaurant smelled like it would be pretty good. So I think there's camping possibilities here as well, or they might rent out those little love shacks over there. So there's the highway. We're heading that way. Anyways, looks like the rain might clear up. I'm leaving the rain jacket on, both myself and the backpack for now, but all in all, pleasant morning of riding so far. Well, we made it all the way to Hawaii. We're at Kona Beach. Maybe someday, but not today. Might be a cool campground, I don't know. You'd have to check it out. Just thought I'd come out here and see what I could see. So those of you that don't really know what logging does, this is kind of what logging does to an area. Just so you know, I'm not saying it's not totally necessary or anything like that, but we need to be aware of everything. It really does, you know, change the area totally when they come through. It takes a long time for a forest, especially boreal forest, to regenerate themselves properly. Cool view though, that's for sure. I'm gonna get a picture. So from what I can tell, this lake here is called South Pond. Clearly it's not a pond, it's a lake, but obviously there's some story behind that, I'm sure. Cool mountains off over there. Yeah, I'm hoping I can take the jacket off soon, but as you can see, those low-laying clouds are looking pretty rainy over that way too, especially, and I think that's kind of the direction we're going in, so we'll see. All right guys, still plugging away here, about 35K to Badger. I'm thinking that's probably going to be the ending point. It'd be close to 90K for the day. I'm totally cool with that. Grand Falls would be another, I think, about 30K. No real reason to get to Grand Falls, so Badger it will be, I think. I think that's Badger or Batter or something. I'll let you know in a bit. All right guys, get back at her. Pretty dark out for 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Well, I just had to pull off the highway because I had my rain jacket on for quite a while because it was raining and misting and all that stuff, but I cannot believe how much I was sweating. This is my shirt, my riding shirt. It's inside out right now, but you won't be able to tell, but it is literally saturated. And I started getting cold. I was literally, Jesus Murphy. I was literally shaking, so stopped. I got the cotton shirt on, which usually I don't ride in, but right now I actually think I'm going to put my vest on as well. I have to open my pannier to get my sandwich out anyways, so yeah, just thought I'd pull over here. This is a decent spot, actually pretty quiet. Old shack over there. I'm not going to go trudging through the woods to look at it, but I was hoping maybe I'd find some blueberries around, but I don't see any. I'm gonna grab a sandwich and then I'll get going again. I gotta get everything put away here again. Just thought I'd try and see if I can let that t-shirt dry out a bit. Oh man, I feel so much better now that I got out of that wet shirt though. Anyways, I am going to have something to eat, get this stuff all situated, and then I'll get back at her. Only probably about 18 to 20 kilometers to go to is it Barker? Something like Badger, I think. Anyways, I'll let you know. I'm gonna just have a sandwich and I'll get back to you. right, everybody. Just finishing up the day here in Badger, Newfoundland. Staying at the sunny motel. I do not recommend it one little bit. And that's all I'm gonna say. It's a shithole. So anyways, that's that. But it is conveniently located to a Robin's Donuts and an Irving gas station, so I can get stocked up this morning. It's not supposed to rain all day. It's supposed to just be cloudy, so that is good. But it is supposed to be hot and humid. I think more humid than hot. But anyways, I just thought I would check in and out, and I will see you guys in the morning. Cheers.